Hello, the next video in our series here is going to be covered what we've been referring to as the staggered layouts. So in this instance, we're looking here at an instance of that where the photo and the text alternate between left and right down the page. The image size for these is 600 pixels by 400 pixels. The code on the website adds the line around the inside margin, so you don't need to do that yourself with the image. And pretty much it handles itself. The complication here is, well, I guess I should also point out, we've also used that for these layouts here, again with transparent PNGs on colored backgrounds. This has a slightly different fraction to it, but it uses the same template. So we'll kind of cover both of these at the same time. The complication comes here with the fact that we hide the photo on mobile. So obviously for this row, the left side needs to be hidden. For this row, the right side needs to be hidden so that when you get down here, it shades them alternately and it hides the correct piece of content. So if you're on a page that already has content like this on it, and you want to insert one in the middle, that's where the complication comes in. So I don't think, I've added this as a template here. It is the staggered layout right there is what you choose. It's going to add these 6 rows that you already see on this page. This is the page I used as the basis. So commercial insurance, employee benefits, retirement planning, well-being, total absence, and wealth management. All 6 of those rows will get added onto the page. So again, if you wanted to, let's say we wanted to insert a new row in here. So I duplicate this one and then I flip it. This is where the complication comes in because this row has code on it that says staggered left, which means left is where the featured content is, the text content that it's going to keep. And obviously this one has been reversed from that. So this one would need to be changed to right. I mean, this is a special circumstance. I don't know if you're going to be modifying this, but this is an issue that you would run into. So this would need to be changed to right. And then I think the rest of this would be fine. Then this one is left and right down the page. So if you're inserting one, all you'd need to do is duplicate the row and then change the item on it. Now, the other complication comes in that the one above here either needs to get flip-flopped or this one needs to get flip-flopped and then all of them down the page. I think you get the picture here. It's just if you're adding a row in the middle of one of these sets, then the content needs to be swapped. And on the row settings here, this class name needs to be changed all the way down the page. So, the idea is there, but obviously I did this one wrong because we want this left image here because we've got the video here. So in this case, this would go over here. This would stay over here as it was when I duplicated this row. And the rest of these would get swapped down the page, and then also each one of these would get updated with the opposite of whatever it currently was. On these pages with the icons, it is very similar to what I showed you with the stacked layouts that use the transparent PNGs. The difference being that the fractional relationship is different. These are 1/4 to 3/4 compared to half and half, so that these are much smaller. And then of course also as demonstrated before, these images just have the background color applied here. Let me just do that again. Here's the row, here's the image, click edit on the image, come to the design options, and then here is the background color. And that is how we're getting this background color right here. So that you don't have to, if you just decide you don't like the pea green or whatever, you don't have to go and make a brand new image. You can swap that out right here. That should do it for the staggered layout. As with all these, let me know if there are any questions or if I've missed something in the video and we can make a new one. Thanks so much.